all those back objects do exist and are there, but we cannot see them just because they are behind the front object that we have. And this concept is controlled and managed by the panel or window or whatever you may call it. We call it a panel in Photoshop, by the panel layers. So we have this layers over here. As you see, it is open for me and I have it and I can use it. But if you can't find it inside your workspace, all you need to do is that you need to come to window and click layers or press F7 on your keyboard, and then the layers panel will be visible for you and you will be able to make your changes over here. The video you just watched is a part of the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available for the traditional education. If you are looking for improving your real-world skills with project-oriented courses, or if you are looking to increase the value of your time on a daily basis as either an employee or a business owner, for over 15 courses bundle plus our over 50 upcoming courses and all the updates, plus individual certificates of completion for each course, obtain your lifetime access today, paying our one-time fee with a great discount inside www.thetakeoffcollege.com. Learn more in order to earn more. It's always been like that. See you inside the program.